हेलो एवरीवन, आज मैं आपके लिए नया वीडियो लेकर आई हूँ जो कि कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस का एक टॉपिक है, अर्निंग्स मैनेजमेंट। तो शुरू करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा, जिससे कि मैं जैसे ही नया वीडियो अपलोड करूँ सबसे पहले आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। और प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ पहले इसे लाइक एंड कमेंट ज़रूर से ज़रूर करें। तो चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं वीडियो के साथ। क्वालिटी ऑफ अर्निंग्स एंड अर्निंग मैनेजमेंट। क्वालिटी ऑफ अर्निंग्स। द क्वालिटी ऑफ अर्निंग्स refer to that part of net income which is attributable the core operating activities of business during normal business environment. High and low quality of earning. If a business reports an increase in profits due to improved sales in normal business environment or due to adopting cost reduction techniques, the quality of earning is considered to be high. If, on the other hand, a business reports high or low profits due to following accounting tricks or manipulation, such earnings are considered to be of poor quality. Inappropriate use of accounting rules leading to increase or decrease in profits, such as inventory valuation techniques, which are LIFO and FIFO, which are last in first out and first in first out. Depreciation policy, written down value method, fixed installment method, transfer to provisions, bad debts, taxes, etc. Inflationary transactions, and the third is sale of assets for gain or loss. Characteristics of high quality earning. Such earnings are easily repeatable over a number of years. Conservative accounting policy is followed in such earning. High quality earnings are based only on operating factors. How to calculate high quality earning? It is quite subjective to calculate high quality earning. Its accuracy depends upon the expertise of the person calculating the high quality earnings. The measure of high quality earnings is the ability of the company to generate income on the basis of operating activities of business. Still, there is one formula to calculate the quality of earnings as given below. Quality of earning ratio is equal to net cash from operating activities divided by net income reported. Significance of quality of earnings. Investors always prefer high quality earnings, such as these results tend to be repeated in future years. Quality of earnings shows real potential of business. Quality of earnings discloses the operating and non-operating factors influencing the income of the company. Wrong accounting practices, manipulations, and non-productive activities in the business are easily traced with the help of quality of earning. Quality of earnings builds the value and reputation of the company. Concluding remarks are: quality of earning is relative with the operating and non-operating activities of the business. High quality of earning takes into account the operating factors such as sales and operating expenses, etc. Poor quality of earnings is based on accounting tricks, manipulative practices, and other non-repetitive factors. High quality of earning is reliable and most likely to be repeated in future. Investors and analysts always prefer high quality earnings. High quality earnings can be known accounting expertise. An easy formula to know the quality of earning is to calculate the quality of earnings ratio by dividing net cash from operating activities by the reported income. Earnings management. Earnings management means the use of accounting technique to intentionally influence the financial statement reporting to be highly positive. Figures appearing in the financial statement are highly inflated. Earnings management affect the quality of earnings badly and the credibility of the company falls. Techniques of earning management. Basically, there are three techniques of earning management, that are aggressive accounting, financial restructuring, wrong expense, and revenue recognition. Let us talk about aggressive accounting. It is unethical use of accounting technique in order to inflate the accounting profit. Example: Company X may transfer its profits heavily to reserves at the time of good profits. But when company suffers from losses such as heavy bad debts due to non-payment of debtors, The companies did not actual bad debts but start using reserves against the bad debts and profits may not reflect it adversely. Second is financial restructuring. The company can overvalue its assets and write off its bad debts at the time of financial difficulties. This is a double harm to the accounting figures, but temporarily accounting report becomes attractive. Wrong expense and revenue recognition. It is called income smoothing. The company records the income before it is recognized and does not recognize the bad debts or inflate the sales figures by recognizing the sales which are not actually made. All this leads to higher profits. Then is objectives of earning management. Earnings management may be on both the sides, inflating the profits or deflating the profits by the way of deliberate accounting measure. There may be both good or bad objectives against earning management. First is personal gain of managers by earning commission or inflated profits. Second, stabilizing the market value of shares in the market. Third, moving the profits to the next year in order to show consistent results. Fourth, mobilizing capital from the market. Fifth, better bargain at the time of merger, takeover, or amalgamation. Earnings management versus quality of earnings. From the earnings management, the quality of earnings can be judged. If the manager do not intervene to influence the reporting of financial results through deliberate accounting techniques, then quality of earning is high, otherwise not. Or simply say when earnings management is high, the earning quality is low and vice versa. Concluding remarks. Financial reporting may be shown inflated or suppressed. Earnings management may be for positive reason and may be for negative reason too. Earnings management and earning quality both are interrelated. Thanks for watching my video till the end. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for further notes.